could survive the night. We have some brand new news here.
Alright guys, we just got a new helicopter here in Panama. We're now going to be taking this one, upgraded a little bit. The real reason is Diogo was just always whining because it was so tight in the back. He's all cramped in there.
Right.
And so we finally broke down and said, okay fine, we're just going to get this one here.
Just going to get a Eurocopter instead.
Might as well.
Perfect.
Wouldn't that be nice, eh?
Yeah. Very nice.
A dolphin. No, that's a big dolphin. If you get
Report to short final 01 Charlie Golf Fake off a kilo. Runway 01, wind 260 degrees 07.
She said. Yeah, we're clear. She saw us. Oh man, here we come. Nice.
Estamos solicitando iniciar para proceder a la posición.
Alright, we just got to Cartagena in Colombia, and I am stoked because it's 1 p.m. and it's the earliest we've ever arrived somewhere. Which just means we're gonna have a more relaxed day and I won't be super tired and have to sleep in the helicopter. Yellow jacket. Barranquilla, sí, íbamos. These are kind of the concerns when you're on. Come again? So we are currently trying to find a laundry place that the manager of the hotel told us about, but it is nowhere to be seen. We've asked like 5 locals about it. They don't know. So we're just going out here in the rain. Just walking, you know, checking all the local snacks. dad's trying to tell him that he needs this stuff cleaned in 3 hours. And the lady's like, I don't know. But finally she's like, okay, sure.
Hay que pagar en peso, ¿no? En peso colombiano, un poquito más. Te voy a dar un poquito más. Además del servicio, ya lo ves.
And they're getting soaking wet.
Que todo, que todo, que todo, que todo, que todo el mundo te cante, que todo el mundo te mire, celoso estoy pa' que mire, no me voy más ni por miles. Que todo el mundo te cante, que todo el mundo te mire, celoso estoy pa' que mire, no me voy más ni por miles. Permita que me arrepienta, oh mi bella cenicienta, de rodillas mi presencia, si mi ausencia fue tu afrenta. Que todo el mundo te cante.